Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to screen share on Discord Mobile in 2021. Now, this is a brand new update that we have on Discord. Now, first things first, you want to make sure you're fully updated on Discord. Some people don't have the auto update turned on. So you just want to go over to your app store, whether it is the App Store on iOS or the Google Play Store, and just search for the application. Make sure you're fully updated. On iOS specifically, you will know you have an update available is if it says update where it says open here. So if you have an update, you can go ahead and update Discord first and then come back to where I am now. But once you have Discord fully updated, you can just go ahead and open it up. So I'll just search for Discord here and open it up. You then want to click a server on the left once you're on Discord. So I'm just go ahead and click on the server right here. And once we're on the server, just like we are right here, we can see text channels and voice channels. So all you want to do is just click on a voice channel that you want to join. So let's go ahead and click on general right here. And then it'll pop this up here saying join voice. So we can just click on join voice. And once you're in this portion, you just go to the bottom left corner of your screen where you see the smartphone and the arrow. Now you just want to go ahead and click on that. Once you click on that, you will then be brought to the screen broadcast area where you're able to click on any application that you have running on your phone currently, and you're able to screen broadcast that over to your friends on your Discord group. So just click on an application that you guys are looking to share to your friends, and then it will then broadcast that screen over to your friends. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to do this on Discord with the new update. If this video does help you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.